Now, if you are new to programming, in order for us to write code for our web pages, we will be needing a code editor. There are tons of code editors out there. For example, we have Sublime Text, we have Atom, we have Bracket, we have Vim, and a whole lot more. But the one that I will be using is VS Code. Feel free to use any code editor of your choosing. But if you want to actually work in the same development environment as me, let's head over to our browser and search for VS Code so that we can download and install onto our desktop. So let's click on the first link. Depending on the sort of operating system that you are working on, the website automatically detects and gives you the option for download. Because I am on a Windows environment, I'm going to click on this big green button and download VS Code onto my desktop. Now I already have VS Code pre-installed on my local machine, so I'm actually not going to be downloading it. But then if you happen to download it, kindly click on it and follow the prompt so that you can install VS Code onto your desktop. Once you are done with the installation, I'll see you in the next lecture.